In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shrinking header effect in Elementor. This guide will walk you through each step to achieve that smooth transition that can add a sophisticated touch to your website. So, let's dive right in and transform your header into a dynamic element. To get started, you'll first need to log into your WordPress dashboard and open the page you're working on with Elementor. Once your Elementor page editor is open, locate the header section. This is crucial because this is the part we want to adapt when users scroll through the site. Now, let's focus on the section settings. You'll want to click on the 6 dots at the top of your header section to open the section's control panel. Here, head over to the Advanced tab. As you scroll down, you'll find an area labeled Motion Effects. This is where the magic happens. Under Scroll Effects, toggle the button to enable them. Once active, a drop-down menu will appear where you can select different options. Here, you should choose Sticky and opt for the top setting. Remember, this makes your header stick at the top of the screen when you scroll down. Now, while you have all these settings open, it's a great time to ensure your header looks good across all devices. Click on the responsive mode at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This lets you see how your header appears on desktops, tablets, and mobiles, making sure the shrinking effect doesn't disturb the layout on any device. Once you're happy with those settings, it's time to add custom CSS to achieve the actual shrink. Navigate to the Advanced tab and scroll down to find the Custom CSS area. Here, you'll need to insert a snippet of CSS code that allows the header to shrink when scrolling. Essentially, what this code does is define what your header will look like at different scroll positions. If you're unfamiliar with coding, don't worry. Simply copy and paste code that is compatible with your theme and tweak the specifics, such as the height and padding, to suit your design. A quick reminder to always check your changes by previewing your work. Click on the eye icon at the bottom of the Elementor editor to preview how the page looks with your newly applied effects. Watching the scroll behavior will give you a real-time understanding of how the shrinking header works and if further adjustments are needed. With a few tests and tweaks based on your specific design needs, you'll have a polished and professional-looking sticky header that shrinks on scroll. Don't forget to hit the Update button to save all your hard work. That's it for today's tutorial on creating shrinking header effects in Elementor. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing!